All right, so this is part one, Reconnect with February pre-work. Some of you may already be done with this part, but if you're not finished, just take it as a time to catch up. So basically what you need to do is click on each of these links provided for you. This will take you to the professional learning activity. Of course, yours will look a little bit different than mine again, because mine is the teacher view. But this should be familiar. You just need to compile a list of the professional learning activities in your school and the staff that are engaged in them. And these are the things that you need to identify. So that's the first part. And then the other part is the professional learning experience discussion post. So some have replied. We have Amber's reply there and Crystal's reply. So more and more of you are replying to this, which is awesome. So if you haven't replied yet, please do so. And then that will complete your requirements for part one. All right, when you're ready to go to part two, you just simply need to click on the next button and it will take you to part two, why is a growth mindset critical? All right, thanks.